Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley Janae here, and in this video we are going to be discussing all the tips and tricks on how I maintain and grew my clientele. And if this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching. Client retention is your ability to turn your customers into repeat buyers and not to lose them from your competitors. Start off with the basics. I know that social media can be very overwhelming, but you have to tune out the competitors and focus on your brand and what your audience wants. I would say maybe get on 2 platforms at minimum and start posting on there. A few platforms that I like to get on and reach my audience is TikTok and Instagram. Those platforms work for me, and post content so people can find where you are. Use hashtags. Post consistently. So for example, since Instagram and TikTok are my forms of marketing and putting myself out there to get new clients, I'm going to make sure that I'm posting before and after pictures. I'm going to make sure that I am getting involved with the reels, more video content, because I noticed that video content surface a little bit faster than pictures, and it actually grew my clientele and my revenue from when I first started, and it's been a journey. Second thought I would say is be responsive. Reply back to those DMs, reply back to those comments. Even if someone was to ask you something that you know is on your website, just respond. Be nice, respond, because you ignoring her and just kind of being rude about it because it's in your bio on your website, you might have lost a clientele. So just be responsive to everybody. Make sure that you are showing the process of what you're doing. People love to see the behind the scenes. They love to see how you got from A to C. They want to see the B in the middle. So make sure you are posting before and after pictures, behind the scene videos of you doing the work, the process of you doing the actual service or whatever you are offering. Another tool is to create business cards. Business cards are an asset in my business. I pass out my business cards wherever because I have a cute mini QR code on my business card where people can just scan it and it'll send them straight to the booking site, my Instagram. I have a cell phone number on there, just enough contact information where people will know what I'm doing and they have a direct contact to reach out just in case they want to schedule an appointment. And that leads me into making clients feel comfortable. If you are working from home, just make sure that you have your home space very professional. Put some pictures, your certification, sanitized area. Another way to seek new clientele is to create proposals for potential clientele. So for example, since I am a beauty professional, maybe my target audience will be wedding event planners, photographers, business owners, influencers. You create this proposal to basically show your work, your price, send them an invoice, and what you have to offer. Now this right here is what I do often. Promote and market your brand by just starting a random conversation. Now I do this when I am out just having a good time at a bar, grocery store, whatever. So for example, if I'm speaking to someone and I notice that they have nice eyebrows or they may need to be groomed, I will start off by saying, oh, you have some really nice eyebrows. Do you have a brow specialist here in Houston? And start the conversation there. But I start off with a compliment and just listen to the concern of what that other person may have, and boom, that's where I come in with my solution. I love that way of doing it because it's very natural, it's organic. I'm not feeling like as if I'm selling you, but we're just having a very organic conversation. I'm telling you what I do and I'm trying to get you on board to see if you're interested. So get out in the field and actually do the work. Social media can go so far. If social media crashed down today, what else do you have? Do you have people signing up for your newsletter? Do you even have a newsletter? So pass out, go out and pass out flyers in different neighborhoods and local areas that you already service and target, and find those people who haven't found you. So what I did recently is go to an office building, and on each floor, a person that I believe that will benefit from my service, I'm leaving a business card and I'm leaving a flyer. Use hashtags in your area. I have gained a lot of my clientele from hashtags. I love hashtags. I'm not going to post a picture without hashtags because that's how I receive most of my clientele, either hashtags or word of mouth, because it's a lot of people moving from different cities and are trying to, you know, get their people right. Client retention is your ability to turn your customers into repeat buyers and not to lose them from your competitors. Making sure that the clients that you already have are coming back. Reward those customers that already have been coming. Sign them up for loyalty programs. So maybe the third service, they will get $20 off. The fourth service, they might get a service for free. Send them newsletters. Have them sign up for a newsletter where you are only sending your newsletter exclusive coupons, promotions, and just exclusive deals on your services or products. Another way to have your current clientele returning back and also to gain new clientele is to have knowledge in your specific service or industry that you're in. I believe that product knowledge, when you know what you're talking about and what you're doing and how it helps the person that you're servicing or catering towards, they love that, because not only do you know what you're talking about, but you also enlighten me on something I didn't know. So just make sure that you are very knowledgeable in your industry, so that way you can actually teach your client something new to continue make them want to come back and learn more. So make sure you have a filter to your conversations, asking your opening questions. Hi, where are you from? How'd you hear about me? Always ask a customer, hey, how'd you hear about me? So that way you'll know what platforms to continue to be consistent and do more on. That leads me to encourage clients to leave feedback. New customers love to see clients feedback because they want to feel as if they want to know if you're trustworthy or not to spend money with. So make sure that you are encouraging clients to leave feedback. Post them on your Instagram, have them showcased on your website, something to show that you are trustworthy. Follow up with your clients. If you haven't heard from a client in 6 months or more, send out an email to all of those clients that you have not heard from 6 months or more. Where are you? Have you found another brow artist? If so, what are some things that I could have did wrong? Was it just the distance? Was I too far? Did you not like the service last time you were here? Just follow up with your clients, because sometimes when you follow up, that's confirmation on their end that they need to book an appointment. And lastly is have a professional booking site. Listen, the DM me on Instagram has to stop. Y'all, it's something affordable out there for y'all to tap into, and $15, $10 a month. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself if you really want to grow and attract the type of clientele that you want. And don't be cheap, because cheap money not gonna make no money. Invest in yourself and watch how your business and your clientele grow. Currently I'm using Squarespace, which also is attached to Acuity. You can either have an actual website like I do, or you can have an actual booking site like Booksy. You have StyleSeat, you have Acuity, you have Glossier, but just find out what works for you and your clientele. Do a free trial, do what you have to do, but you have to get a professional site up for somebody to book you on. Create a Google business account. I have so many new clients who just typed in Houston brow artist, and I was one of them who popped up, because I have clients who leave me reviews, and when your clients leave reviews on Google, it boosts up your SEO. So have a Google business account. If you're running a business, sign up for Google Business. It's free. Overall, just make sure that you are putting yourself out there. being consistent, market yourself, and get out in the field and do the work. Don't limit yourself to social media, because it's a lot of people out here in this real world who's not on there. Overall, I hope that this information was very beneficial, and I hope that you use some of these tools to grow your clientele and also pick up new clientele if you're struggling to gain new clientele as well. So I hope this video was useful, and I will see y'all in my next one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace, love, and a whole lot of happiness. Bye, guys.